Hi, welcome. This is Love Where You Live by Leo, and today we are in Annapolis with Stacy. Hi, Stacy.
Hi, Leo.
Thank you for having me.
Thank you for asking me to be on with you.
Appreciate it. Stacy, can you explain to us where we are? Why do you like the room you are hosting us today? And how do you feel when you are in that space?
Yeah, most definitely. So we are kind of in the heart of my house. It's the main area of my house, my kitchen area, my dining area, the living area of my house. And I feel amazing when I'm in this area of my house because I go to work, I commute into DC every day, deal with that traffic, and then I commute on home. And after a long, stressful day of being at work for about 12 hours, I get here and it feels like all the stress just melts away because I'm in a space that I created and designed myself. I took down walls, I did everything myself in terms of the design and the idea in my mind, and it just makes me feel so happy to be here and at peace and makes me smile that my vision kind of came to life and it created an environment that makes me at peace and happy to be kind of in my first home. It is my first home that I bought and created myself, so
yeah,
that just makes me feel a sense of accomplishment too when I'm in this space.
As you should. I've never seen the house before, but this is more than pretty. I really love it. It's a very good energy when you walk in.
And the colors, it's bright and makes me feel with the orange and the blues. It's kind of a tranquil feeling, but it's also bright and happy feeling too. Yeah. So it's good for my soul, so to speak.
Good job. Everything works well together. So you did a good job.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Yeah, the kind of all the different unique designs coming in from the Ballard designs and the fabrics and yeah, the anthropology couches and the cushions I got in India from my travels, and you know, it just kind of showcases me, so to speak, in this space. Yes, but the best thing is too, I get to kind of look around and I get to see other projects I can do and little touches I can keep making and keeps my vision and my energy flowing, and the light bulbs keep going off. So that's also something that sparks my life and gives me sense of satisfaction.
So you're not done completely yet?
Oh no, I don't think I'll ever be done.
Yeah, you're never done with a house, so it's that's part of the game.
Yes. And it's the most fun part of renovations, you know, seeing it and actually being in it and working through it. Like there are all these walls here, and now seeing it how it turned out, and yeah.
And see it come to life.
See it come to life and gives you a sense of completion. Yeah, I'd say I did that.
And you did wonderfully. So
thank you.
Thank you so much for having us today.
Of course. Maybe I'll have you next time when I do more.
Yeah, definitely. Thank you for joining us. It was Love Where You Live by Leo, and today we were with Stacy. Bye, Stacy.
Bye, thank you.